So I don't know about you, but when I travel, I have this big bag of cables and chargers. It's a real pain in the butt, weighs a lot, and there are things like here's a plug for, I don't know, the Apple Watch, here's something to charge my iPhone, here's something to charge my AirPods, and then there's the cable, the MagSafe cable for my iPhone. And then I got my Apple Watch magnetic charger, and then a charger for my AirPods. But I'm going to review a product from Mophie that eliminates all this stuff and puts it into a really cool, handy travel case. So you don't have to carry all this stuff with you. So stay tuned. Hey, it's HighTechDad, and welcome to my channel where I review all sorts of home tech, other types of tech, business tech, travel tech, fix-its, how-tos, all sorts of different things. And today we're taking a look at the Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger with MagSafe. So this is a new version of the travel charger. There was one that came out in 2021. They've upgraded it, and this came out in 2023 this year. So I'm going to go through some of the unboxing and see what's inside and see why this is potentially a really good travel charger that eliminates all those plugs and cables that I showed earlier. So this is the Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger. It's in the box here. Quickly, it does show on the box that it's up to 15 watts fast wireless charging. It's got an integrated MagSafe charger, integrated fast charger for the Apple Watch. And this is something that is new to this version. So some of the newer Apple Watches will charge a lot faster on here. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. I haven't opened this yet, so it'll be interesting to see how it's packaged. And oh, of course I ripped the box. Let's see if I can get this thing out. Here we go. So too bad about the rip, but here is the travel charger itself. It's got a little release to pop it up. You can see this is a nice, I think it's a eco-friendly case that it comes with. It's all zipped up. There is a manual in here, so we could read through that. And then that's pretty much all that's inside of the box. So I'm putting that aside. Let's take a look and see what's in the travel case. So nicely compiled here. Looks like we have a wall charger, and it looks like it's a USB-C. So that always allows for faster charging. Comes with a USB-C cable. So that's nice to have. And then we have the charger itself. Again, soft fabric, folded up, very small. It unfolds into 3 different things. So here you have the charger for your AirPods. Here's the MagSafe charger for the iPhone. And then what's kind of nice here is the charger for the Apple Watch. And I was a little worried because some of the Apple Watches have bands that are connected so they don't fall off your wrist. But what's really nice about this is it pivots up. So you could effectively put your watch onto here and have it sitting facing you. Or you could have it down and just have the watch going across. So let me hook this up and let's take a look at it in greater detail. All right, so I brought my own cable, a little bit longer to reach the wall. This cable that's included isn't too long, but it's not the end of the world. So it does plug in to just a little slot right above the Apple Watch charger. It's USB-C, so I have it plugged in right now. So first we have some AirPods. They fit nicely in there. The little green light goes on to show that it's charging. Then we have the an Apple phone, and I put it right onto the MagSafe charger, and it automatically starts charging as well. It's already 100% charged, so it's not going to charge much. And then lastly, we have the Apple Watch. And so I have a band that I opened out, put it on, and you can see that it's charging. So all three devices are charging at the same time, which is ideal when you're traveling. And it is a quite a nice solution for people who don't want to carry a bunch of cables. You carry one cable, one plug, and then the travel kit, and it all fits inside. So that's a quick walkthrough of the Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger with MagSafe. I like the smallness and lightweight feel of this. I like the fact that it has a carrying case that contains everything: the plug, the cable, and the actual charger itself. I put the manual in here. The charger is quite small, so you can see it's all folded up. It's magnetically sealed or held in place, as you can see there. And this is extremely lightweight and thin. Hopefully you can see that. I worry a little bit that it may be a little flimsy over time. It may tear or something like that, but it does feel fairly robust. I think their desire was to keep it as lightweight as possible. Also like the fact that you can put your Apple Watch at an angle or flat. So very, very nicely designed and very small. And again, this is the 2023 version. Wanted to read a little bit more from the box. There's some interesting stuff on here. The fabric, it says here, so the fabric is made with up to 50% recycled plastic bottles, so eco-friendly. That's always nice. So I already talked about the interior organization with pockets, and everything that you need is literally contained within this package. So you can read more about this on my website, as well as other product reviews, and that's at HighTechDad.com. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on social media. Just search for HighTechDad. I'm on a lot of the platforms. You can head over to my Facebook page, and that's at facebook.com/HTDblog. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And I always like getting subscriptions and likes. It makes me want to do more videos like this. If you find them helpful, let me know. And if you're a vendor, an agency, a product producer, feel free to reach out if you want a review. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys soon on the next review.